The Collision Mitigation Braking System, or CMBS, helps reduce the likelihood or severity of frontal impact by tracking the distance and closing speed of objects detected directly ahead. There are 3 alert stages. Stage 1, alert sound, and a brake warning message flashes on the instrument panel, prompting the driver to apply the brakes. Stage 2, alerts continue and the CMBS applies light braking. Stage 3, CMBS determines a collision is unavoidable and applies maximum braking to mitigate vehicle damage and injury to the occupants. The collision mitigation braking system is on by default, but can be turned off by pressing the safety support switch to the left of the steering wheel and then using the right side steering wheel controls to deselect the CMBS checkbox. Note that the system will automatically turn back on the next time you start the vehicle. You can also customize the distance for CMBS's Stage 1 alerts. To do this, go to Settings from the home screen. Select Vehicle. Select Driver Assist System Setup. Then select Forward Collision Warning Distance. Here you change the warning distance to long, normal, or short. It's important to understand that CMBS comes with some notable limitations and may not always be enough to prevent a collision. It also may provide a false warning, for example, when passing another vehicle too closely. CMBS still requires the driver to remain in control of the vehicle at all times. Lastly, these systems rely on a front radar unit and windshield-mounted camera to operate. Be sure to keep these clean at all times. Otherwise, the systems may proactively disable and a warning message will appear in your instrument panel. You may also receive these warning messages in poor weather conditions, in which case, the warnings will clear shortly after conditions improve.